The end of manual cleaning, the future of smart vacuums and robots. Imagine a world where cleaning your home is no longer a chore, but a fully automated task handled by intelligent machines. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. Smart vacuums and cleaning robots are evolving rapidly, promising a life without brooms, mops, or elbow grease. These futuristic devices are more than just gadgets. They're a glimpse into a world where daily maintenance fits seamlessly into our high-tech lives. But how far are we from making manual cleaning a thing of the past? Let's dive into this revolutionary tech and its potential to transform our homes. Today's cleaning robots have come a long way. Equipped with AI-powered navigation systems, these devices can map out rooms, dodge obstacles, and clean hard-to-reach corners, all with minimal input. Brands like iRobot and Roborock are transforming traditional vacuums into intelligent cleaning assistants. The technology doesn't stop at vacuuming. Many models now feature mopping capabilities, voice control, and compatibility with smart home systems. These devices are learning how to adapt to unique floor plans and user preferences, a giant leap toward complete cleaning autonomy. What makes the future of cleaning so exciting? It's the groundbreaking innovations hitting the market. Self-emptying dustbins, automatic water refills for mopping, and even sensors capable of detecting dirtier areas are just the beginning. One company is testing robots that can identify spills and promptly address them in real time, while another is creating AI that learns your cleaning habits to anticipate tasks before you even notice. The combination of AI and sensor technology is redefining convenience and efficiency. A key challenge for early smart vacuums was upkeep, emptying them, washing parts, and dealing with tangled brushes. Next-gen robots are reversing that inconvenience. Advanced models can now return to docking stations to empty their dustbins, clean their own filters, and prep for their next mission. This self-maintenance capability is a game-changer. By eliminating the need for frequent manual intervention, these devices inch closer to true autonomy. Imagine a cleaner that not only works for you but maintains itself, allowing you to focus entirely on other priorities. Artificial intelligence is enabling cleaning robots to become smarter with each use. By analyzing patterns, usage habits, and room layouts, these machines can fine-tune their cleaning performance over time. For instance, some models now use advanced computer vision to detect carpeted areas and adjust cleaning modes automatically. In the future, these robots could evolve into true household assistants, adapting to seasonal allergies, pet hair, or special cleaning preferences effortlessly. The future of smart cleaning isn't just about convenience, it's also about sustainability. Many developers are focusing on using eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient motors, and low-water mopping technologies to reduce waste. Additionally, smart robots allow you to schedule precision cleaning only where and when it's needed, drastically cutting down on energy and water use compared to traditional cleaning methods. The result? Cleaner homes and a cleaner planet. Despite the rapid advancements, no revolutionary technology comes without hurdles. Price tags for premium robot cleaners are still a barrier to entry for many consumers. Furthermore, their performance on certain surfaces, like thick carpets or multi-level homes, occasionally leaves room for improvement. Another challenge lies in how well these devices integrate into increasingly complex smart homes. Seamlessly syncing cleaning schedules with other connected devices remains a work in progress, but one with immense promise for a truly automated lifestyle. Looking ahead, the potential for smart cleaning robots extends far beyond just sweeping floors. Imagine multifunctional machines that dust, sanitize air, arrange clutter, and even sense when your home needs maintenance, all without lifting a finger. Developers are already envisioning cleaning ecosystems where drones might clean walls and ceilings, while ground robots tackle everything below. The future not only eliminates manual cleaning, but redefines our idea of what cleaning even means. The evolution of smart vacuums and robots hints at a world where homes practically clean themselves, saving time, reducing stress, and adding futuristic flair to daily life. As these innovations become more skilled, accessible, and sustainable, they're poised to make manual cleaning a distant memory. What do you think? Are smart cleaning robots an exciting leap forward or just a luxury? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're ready to step into the future, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We're your front row seat to the cutting edge of tech.